That was a fail. Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is the Immortal Infros, and today I'm going to show you some ways that you can warp your players throughout your server and throughout your map using just command blocks and scoreboard objectives. So the first thing that you're going to want to do obviously is give at PCOMM tab enter, and it will give you a command block. So first one, if you watch my other videos, you can see this is the mock spawn I created. But so what I'm gonna do is dig 2 into the ground. This is a very simple way to set up a warping. I just went blank for a second there. This is a very simple way to do it. So just cover it up with one block that allows redstone to pass through it. And then you're going to want to do a pressure plate. And then just place that pressure plate down. Whoops. Obviously, this doesn't work quite yet because there's no command in the command block. So let's just pick a random place. Let's say you want a way to warp from here over to the shop over here. So what you want to do is like stand right where you want it to spawn you. Then press F3, and then you're gonna want to say the XYZ coordinates in the chat so you can save them for later. 64, 499. Now I just save those. Put away my F3 menu, and then before it goes away, this one we're at. TP. We're gonna do TP at P. Then I believe it's 1790 64 499. Now it's covered up, and boom! As soon as you step on there, you get teleported. And if you want, you can make another command block thing to teleport you back if you really wanted to. Just get the coordinates and do it the same way. And let me set this back to day. Okay, so the next one that you can do is a little bit more complicated. This will involve you using scoreboard objectives to teleport you to different places. So first thing that you want to do is do /score. Let's create another warp to the shop over there. Scoreboard objectives add, and then the name. Let's call it shop. Just call it shop, and then trigger shop. And then I'll add a new objective, shop successfully. And let's just place this down here. So then you're going to want to open the command block, and not that, scoreboard players enable at P shop. So first you want to put this in a command block, and then make it always active, and repeat. So this will keep. Oh wait, I just realized. Not at P, at A shop. So now you want to set another command block. Whoops. Make this one a chain command block, always active, and then TP at P, open brackets, and then I think score shop min is equal to 1, and then what are those coordinates? Grab those coordinates really quick. So this will TP at P with a person with a score of shop minimum of 1 to these coordinates. So then if I do trigger shop set 1, it will instantly teleport me to the shop. However, the problem is now, if something I didn't think about is you're kind of stuck here because you're constantly being teleported to this exact spot. So let me set this to 0. So then what you're going to want to do is put scoreboard players set at A score shop min 1 is shop 0, and then I make this chain always active. So basically what this does here is it enables shop for all players, and then it will teleport you to that location if your shop is equal to at least 1, and then it will after it teleports you, then it will set it back to 0 to make sure it doesn't just keep teleporting you forever. So let's test this out. Trigger shop set 1, and you see, there you go. So the way this works is now any of your players, when they're on the server, they can just simply do trigger shop set 1 or even set 99 if they really wanted to. It doesn't matter, and then they will be able to teleport. However, it's not quite that great to have to always use that command. So that is where another thing comes in, where you can have a book to teleport you instead, because that's what I prefer to use. So you're going to want to create a new scoreboard objective. So do /scoreboard objectives, add book trigger book. And then I'll say it added a new objective, book, successfully. So now what we're going to want to do is make it so players always receive a book. So let's get out of Minecraft really quick, and let's actually go to a let's go to a website called Minecraft JSON. Let's just go that, and it'll be minecraftjson.com, and then put just a book, and then it will create a book here. So add text, and let's say this teleport to shop. I can make it pretty, make it dark blue, bold, italic, underlined. Yeah, let's just do all that. And then let's say hover event show text. This teleports you to the this teleports you to the shop. And then this one would be run command trigger shop set 1, and then just go ahead and add the text. Oh yeah, and then add text, and then add the text, and then you see it will give you this nice little thing that says teleport to shop. Now I'll just copy this command here. Let's go back to Minecraft, and let's put in give, and just paste that command, and then press home on your keyboard, excuse me. Give at A, open brackets, score book min is equal to 1, and then it will give them a book. However, let's go ahead and make this always active and repeat. And then you're going to want to make it so it puts book back to 0. Scoreboard players set at a score book min is equal to 1. Oops. Shot up book 0. So now when I do slash trigger book set 1, and wait, I forgot something very vital. I forgot to enable the trigger. So let's actually first go ahead and change this into a chain, and then this will be a repeat command block. Scoreboard players enable at a book. Yep, and then as soon as you do that, then I'll give you the book. And then you can just click teleport to shop, and then boom, you're at the shop. So then if your players ever need a book, there are 2 ways you can give them the book. They can either do slash trigger book set 1, and it'll give them the book. Excuse me. Or you could have another command block thing below here. It says get a sign and say step here to get the warp book. Let's put a pressure plate here. Put the give command for the book there. Straight from the website. And then, boom, you get a book. And then it's still the same book here, and teleport to shop. And also, oh my gosh, it's so early in the morning. I completely forgot my outro. Well, I guess I'll just see you next time. Whatever I would normally say.